Another day, another largest auto show in Malaysia. There are many girls, I mean the lineup of cars like supercar, army, motorbike, a Cybertruck, and the most new model would be China model that will come into Malaysia. This is the first time you see Cybertruck in Malaysia and can't wait for it to be on the road. This mini buggy looks so cute and it would be nice to drive around with it. There are many types of cars that for sure one will catch your eye. There are cars, motorbikes, girls, JDM, and many more. Before the end of the show, there are still many cars coming and the best part would be free show. Is that a Maybach?